Hey guys, how's it going? This is Anthony.Fuller. This is the 195 rear bath by Jayco. As you can see, it's a 19-foot trailer, really good basic trailer. Follow me, folks. Has a nice underbelly. Comes with a 2-year warranty, outside speakers, and a power awning, which is nice for this size trailer. When you first come in, restroom right there. Here's the pantry space, lots of cabinets in here. You got your microwave, 2 burners, this is your heating element, nice size sink, and you have a little counter space here. Comes with an AC unit. The best thing about this AC unit, anything happens, it can easily be replaced. If you look right here, got more storage inside there. You got these 2 windows right here that you can easily open up on both sides to create a nice cross breeze for you. You have a hanging closets on both ends, and then you have the nice size bed. I really like this bed. You can get comfortable in there. You have a shelf up there for machines or whatever, books. Then you have 2 nightstands with plug-ins, so if you have CPAP machines or computer work you have to do late at night. Then if you look under here, I have a full underbelly storage. Awesome. You do have entertainment. Here's a stereo, and you have a dinette that also doubles as a bed as well. What I'm going to do, if you look over here, you have more cabinet space, of course. And then if you look right here, you have a back closet. So if you with the nice big back closet with the hanging closet also. So guys, if you're looking for a really inexpensive trailer around $15,000, $16,000, give me a call on the Jayco's. Anthony Fuller, the Ant-Man, 541-653-2818. Thank you.